Hello engineer, welcome back to this channel smartkembo discovery science. As today I'm going to show you this another system. Our system is based on a password door locking system. So instead of using only one password, I'm going to show you how you can use a more than password. So for this system, I'm done this on Proteus Profession. So let's get started to see how this system is work. So first you need to have this program. So this program is found in our Telegram channel. So just stay link on the description and join into our Telegram channel for more projects, or if you need this password, this program, so you have to join into our Telegram channel. So already get started and see how this system is work. So first of all, I have this Arduino Uno. Also I have this display, and I also a motor driver. This is a servo motor, so you can use a DC instead of the motor instead of you. So I have this also password. Also I have okay, so already get started for this this program. I'm done is on Proteus. I'm done is on Arduino. I have already installed this. So our system is ready. So now just here I'm going to add X file for this. So I have to click and add this file and then click OK. And now let's see how this system is work. So my aim is to show you how I can use a more than 3 password. So my system now is on. So enter the code to open the door. So my first password or first code is 1000. So you see the system, the door will be open. So access granted, welcome. So this servo motor, this motor will rotate to open the door. After a few minutes or after a few seconds, the system will turn off this door. So you have to wait. So get in within 5 seconds. So it counts up to, and then get in within 4. So you see it's counting. 3. So you see this servo motor will close the door. 2. 1. So my system will turn will close this door, the locking. So see now it's see locked. So you see this motor will turn off, will close the door. Yeah, you see the motor is, yeah. So you have to enter another. For my first password or first code is 1000, and my second is 2000. So see now, so it's open. So let's see for the last password is 3000. So let's see. So I have to click sleep and then 0. So see, I have lights a more than one password on one system. So if I forget password, if I don't know the password to open this door, so let's see how it will be. So even I click 1 and then I click 2 and then it's another. So the password is incorrect, so get away. So it means you are forget a password. So you need to have to understand this password. So this system can be used on Office and so many places, and you can put any password you need for the door for your door to be open through your password that you need. So this this program will be found on our Telegram channel. Just see link on the description and join for more, and join to download this program. So thanks for this video and welcome for another video. Yeah, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.